Hi, welcome to my channel Divya Crochet World. Today we are going to learn how to make 6-8 petal daisy. So you can make it in different colors. So I took an yellow yarn initially and make the middle part of the flower. You need to take yellow yarn and make a magic loop. Into this magic ring, you need to keep 5 single crochets into the magic ring. So third single crochet, fourth single crochet, fifth single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5, total 5 single crochets into the magic ring, and pull the loop tightly to close in the magic ring. Make a slip stitch with the next chain, yarn over and pull to the loop and pull from the other loop, and this forms a slip stitch. Cut the yarn to change your color of choice. You can change different colors for the petals. Here I took pink color yarn to form the petals. So pull the loop tightly so that the new yarn stays firm. In the round 2, you need to make 6 single crochets in each individual chain. First single crochet, second single crochet, third single crochet, fourth single crochet, fifth single crochet, sixth single crochet. This is the completion of round 2. For round 3, you need to make 5 chain. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 and 5 chain. In the 5 chain, 1 single crochet into the second chain from the hook. You need to do 1 single crochet into the second chain from the hook, and in the next loop you need to make 1 double crochet. So yarn over and go into the loop, yarn over and pull out from the loop, and pull out from both the loops, and again yarn over and pull out from the 2 loop. This is the completion of 1 DC. And again yarn over and go into the next loop, yarn over and pull out, again yarn over and pull out from the 2 loops, and yarn over and again 2 loops. This is the next double crochet. Next, in the next loop you need to do half double crochet, yarn over and pull out from all the 3 loops. This is the completion of half double crochet in the last chain. And in the next chain you need to do a slip knot. You need to do a slip stitch into the next. This is the completion of 1 petal. Like this you need to repeat round 3 steps to form 6 petals. Again you need to do 5 chain, and 1 single crochet into the next chain, and again yarn over and go into the next chain and do a double crochet, yarn over, go into the next chain, and pull out the loop, yarn over and pull from the 2 loops, and again yarn over and pull out the 2 loops. This is DC. And again yarn over and do a half double crochet in the last chain. Out from 3 loops and do a slip stitch into next single crochet of round 1. Repeat these steps till the end to form 6 petals. 5 chain and 1 single crochet into the second chain from hook, and 1 double crochet into each of the next 2 chains, and 1 half double crochet into the last chain, and do a slip stitch into the next single crochet of the round 1. Do a slip stitch and completion of 4th petal. Next, chain 5, 1 single crochet and 1 DC into the next 2 chains, 1 half double crochet into the last chain, and do a slip stitch. And this is the completion of last petal. Cut off the yarn and fasten off and sew the yarn tail into the project. cut the remaining part. You can be really creative with these flowers. You can do it by changing different colors. Hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.